What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Before we begin, make sure to hit the like and subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon. We're posting 4 videos every day, so make sure to check back every single day. We're aiming for 20k subscribers and get a deal in the description if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe and bell icon. People aren't seeing our content and that's probably because you haven't hit the bell. Thank you again for all your support. We're so proud of the amazing community that we've built. So we're just taking a look at Quant here and it is looking very, very bullish indeed. We're going to keep this video very short and sweet. But as you can see, I mean, this chart kind of speaks for itself really. We've kind of outlined all the key levels that we've been looking at personally. Let me just make sure all these lines are lining up as we would like them. You can see here, we've pretty much got this channel that we did form all the way back when we had the crash in May. The whole crypto market in that time has, yet to recover. Most of the cryptos, Bitcoin, Ethereum, we've got Polygon, we've got VeChain, Chainlink, Polkadot. A lot of cryptos have not even got back to their all-time high, and that whole time Quant has just been going absolutely crazy, hasn't it? I mean, from an average price of around, what is this, $30 or $40, ranging for so long in this area, between around, what is this, literally $30 and $40. We had that big correction in May all the way down to $23, and then since then, an all-time high of $430 and currently trading at around $310. So looking very bullish in general. You can see how bullish this chart is. Big channel moving to the upside, obviously making higher highs and higher lows the whole time. We actually break out the channel, get that full pump to the upside, and then obviously since then kind of, we're forming somewhat of a flag like this, but we did break to the downside, losing a bit of momentum. We come back down to test support, and what do you know, we find support perfectly on that previous channel high resistance, flipped into support, which is, in our opinion, extremely bullish, because you can see basically what's happened here. We're trading upwards, we break out, and then we come back and we retest that previous resistance as support in an uptrend. This is very bullish indeed, and if we do start to hold this level in and around here and start to move upwards, we could be looking at some very nice price targets for Quant pretty damn soon. So if we just throw our fib retracement tool here onto this recent move, if this was the low, for example, you can get an idea of some of the levels that we could be expecting on our next move to the upside if we do hold this low here. And as you can see, I mean, it's looking pretty damn good, isn't it? We've obviously got this all-time high of around $430, but I mean, this 227 extension is at around $800, looking like a very nice price target to be aiming for. Over the next month or so, as we get bullish again in the markets, obviously the markets have been extremely bearish recently over the past month or so. September with, the El Salvador dump, and we've had Evergrande FUD, and we've also had China coming out for the 50 billionth time and basically saying that, their cryptocurrency trading is illegal, blah, blah, blah. You get the idea. And we've got the CME futures close, etc., all kinds of other stuff contributing to the market looking quite manipulated, if I'm being quite honest. The market, trying to reach certain price targets by whatever means necessary, and it seems as though FUD is being utilized as well to basically reach some of these targets. And as you can see here, Quant has rolled over quite a bit, but currently looks as though it had a really nice bounce to the upside, bounced off the 618, come back down to the 023, and now we're just chopping it up at around $310. So basically Quant looking really strong overall. I mean, if you look at this chart, this is just, the more you zoom out, the more crazy it starts to look. I mean, look at this. If I just keep zooming out, you can see how crazy the price action does look. But a very strong looking project. We do think this is a really top quality project as well, and the more updates that they continue to release, we do think we're going to get more and more bullish on it, with the supply continuing to decrease in general, and basically looking like a really good quality crypto. So short-term price predictions then, if we do roll over from here, we obviously have the bottom of this little trend line we've drawn here going to the upside, coming in at around, what is this, $290, and then obviously we do have the $280 area as well for a bounce off that channel that we did mention here, coinciding potentially with the 55 in and around this level for a bounce, which we do think will probably be bouncing considering how bullish we have actually looked for Quant. And then if we do start to move to the upside, you can see we've got our Fibonacci targets here. We want to see $430 tested again pretty damn soon, and then we've got the 127 extension at 500, the 141 coming in at around 540, the 161 coming in at around $600, and then we've obviously got that 227 extension at around $840 for the next move to the upside. And as we said, we do think, considering how bullish Quant has been looking, we do think over $1,000 from the current price, which is around, only a 3 and a bit X, is very possible. So That's it, guys. We'd like to thank everyone so much for their support. If you've got any questions or suggestions, please leave them down below, and don't forget to subscribe and then hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon, to stay up to date with the 4 videos that we post every single day. Remember, if you want to support the channel more directly and get a ton of benefits and insight, as well as joining our growing community, consider the Patreon or YouTube membership down below. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.